Welcome to our channel. Every night the last bus waited at the same place at the same time, indifferent to who arrived late and who arrived prepared. I missed it more times than I care to admit. Each missed bus felt like proof that life was unfair. I blamed traffic, people, circumstances. Rarely did I blame my impatience. Waiting felt like punishment. Success looked like speed. Those who arrived early looked lucky. One night, missing the bus changed everything. Standing alone at the bus stop, I felt small. The road did not rush me. The night did not judge me. It simply waited with me. That night, I understood why rushing had failed me. I was chasing arrival, not readiness. Destiny does not respond to panic, it responds to consistency. Motivation based on fear exhausts quickly. Motivation based on trust sustains. The bus arrived the next day. I arrived earlier, prepared. Nothing magical happened, but something inside me changed. Waiting no longer felt humiliating, it felt necessary. The last bus taught timing. Timing taught patience. Patience taught discipline. Discipline built confidence. Confidence attracted progress. Progress followed quietly. Spiritual growth often begins at bus stops, places where movement pauses, places where ego rests, places where awareness grows. The last bus was never late. I was early to learn. Delay refine intention. They test commitment. They remove entitlement. They strengthen resolve. Now, when life makes me wait, I do not panic. I prepare. I trust. I arrive earlier. Motivation is not chasing outcomes. It is honoring process. The last bus always arrives, but only for those ready to ride. Rushing does not impress destiny. Readiness does. If you are waiting today, remember this. Life is not rejecting you, it is shaping you. What feels slow now will feel perfect later. Patience is not weakness, it is mastery. The bus stop is not failure, it is training. Trust the wait, honor the pause. The last bus taught me success has timing. Timing requires patience. Patience builds character. Character attracts destiny. And destiny always arrives on time. The bus stop stood under a flickering street light at the edge of the road. Evening traffic had thinned into occasional passing headlights. A soft wind pushed dry leaves along the pavement. The schedule board looked older than the bench below it. The road stretched forward without movement. A phone screen lit up the waiting face for a moment. Shops nearby had already pulled down their shutters. The mind replayed the moment that caused the delay. A small shake of the head tried to dismiss the thought. The road remained empty. A bus appeared far away, then turned before reaching the stop. Shoulders dropped slightly. A passing cyclist glanced briefly and rode on. A bus timetable was checked again. The road shone faintly under the light. A motorcycle sped past and vanished into the distance. The sound faded quickly, leaving deeper quiet behind. Thoughts grew louder when the streets stayed silent. Earlier worries seemed smaller under the open sky. The delay began to feel less personal. The night felt wider than the day ever did. A breeze lifted hair across the forehead. The bag was placed gently on the bench. Shoulders relaxed without instruction. Another glance at the road carried less urgency. Time moved even if the bus did not. The road remained open and patient. The moment felt longer but not heavier. A distant engine sound appeared again. Headlights turned toward the stop. The shape of a bus formed slowly in the dark. It moved steadily, not quickly. The streetlight reflected along its windows. The bag was lifted without rush. Feet stepped forward calmly. The bus slowed with a gentle sigh of brakes. Doors opened with familiar sound. Warm air drifted from inside. A nod to the driver replaced earlier impatience. The first step onto the bus felt lighter than expected. A seat by the window was empty. The bag rested on the lap. The bus pulled away from the quiet stop. The street light faded behind. Buildings passed in soft blur. Reflections moved across the glass. The delay already felt smaller than it had an hour ago. The road ahead were calm and steady. The rush that once controlled decisions slowly faded. The bus stop became a symbol rather than a location, a symbol of trust, a symbol of timing, a symbol of surrender without giving up. Some nights I still arrive early, not out of fear, but out of respect for process. Life still delays things occasionally, but I no longer label delays as setbacks. They are silent lessons, lessons that mature character. Character prepares destiny, and destiny always recognizes readiness. The last bus taught me success has timing. Timing requires patience. Patience builds character. Character attracts destiny, and destiny always arrives on time. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.